From the coop to the market, yeah, we rising every day. Little chicks to big birds, watch the profits on the way. Feeding right, doing smart, yeah, we farming with a plan. Poultry life, that's the grind, turning dreams into a brand. Oh yeah, early morning, hear the crow, yeah, the hustle never sleeps. Ruling heat, clean water, strong foundation that we keep from day old chicks we nurture. Watch them grow step by step, healthy flock, no stress. Every detail that we check, from the coop to the market, yeah, we rising every day. Little chicks to big birds, watch the profits on the way. Feeding right, doing smart, yeah, we farming with a plan. Poultry life, that's the grind, turning dreams into a brand. Hey. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Record waves, count the feed, every number gotta show. Fresh shavings, clear, that's the way these bodies grows and they.
So yeah, today we are putting a mesh wire. Actually, this one is called a monkey wire. So this wire we are putting today is what to represent the flow of our chickens. As usual, you know, these chickens they need a place where they will be stepping on. So that's a place that we are putting the flow in. So we have to make sure the flow fits. To make sure the flow fits like accurately. So I want to start with this part because this is the part that will need it the most. The other side, because you know, this mesh wire is about 1.2, but our cage is 1.5. So now we'll be joining the other part of the wire. But I'm thinking the best thing to do first is to make sure the side where needs to be fixed is this side that I'm fixing right now. That's the right side that needs fixing. So if you see, it reaches just up to here. Let's stretch the whole wire up to the far end. These are the ones that will be opening. We're meant to start operating if we want to remove the chickens outside. Like if we are on the selling point, these are the spaces that we are going to use. So let me just have this up to the far end. I think it will be easy that way. So this is the way it's supposed to be. This is straight. So I'm looking at that side. It has done a little bit like this, but I'm thinking maybe I fix here and fix a little bit of here. Then that side I'll fix it at the end because here everything is okay. This side, from this side, everything is perfect. So I'm going to deal with that place that is over there. So let me just go to the other side. I just forgot those loops, so I can just put the cable ties this side as well. So bear with me. So the side I'm talking about is this side, and I don't know why it has become this way. Oh, I think if I put up the cable ties here, it's going to be okay. So let me put the cable ties at the far end. As you know, these cable ties needs to be almost not everywhere, but in some places to make sure the wire is stable. So I'm thinking, let me first do this side, just a little bit at the far corner end. Make sure that it is on the straight way. You know, find like you finish up, then you find like it's not on the straight path where it's supposed to be. So this side, I can totally tell like perfect, like at the far end here, very much perfect, because I need it to be up to this far end. Then this side, this is where I've said like we'll put an inclusion to it. So this is very much okay. Need a lot of bow ties. Sure, that side is very much okay. These cable ties. So okay, then I need to pull it from there. So reach up to here because the other wire needs to go inside, not outside. According to my plan, it's to go inside. So as we have put the cable ties, we'll have to put also the other side, like here, the other parts of it, because we need it to sit, not to be coming up. So it is coming up whereby some other places it's coming up, some other places it's down. We don't want that. So this is perfect. This is very much perfect. So I can imagine if I put also the cable ties here, that means it's fixed. So let's put the other side as well. So let's fix this side now. It's that side. So I think the corners, I think I need to fix this side up to the far end, then it's going to be better. If I do this, it's going to be much better. I fix this side, it's going to be much better. So this is our cage, guys. This is a cage I've been working on, and I'm happy that it's going to finish up soon at this project. So continue updating you guys. So here, as you see, there's a joint here, so you have to be careful where there's this joint. That's where you can make some little mistakes. So yeah, so if you look here, oh no, this is very much okay. So I think it's okay everywhere. All I need is to put the cable ties in between. The chickens will be free to sit here. Yeah, there's no problem. So let's take a look. So you see, this is a mesh wire. So the normal way is this way, then this is a mesh wire. You take a look here, put up to that far end. So we'll be done soon.
Yeah, Simuchimba Farms. Yeah, you know the name. Let's go. Let's go. From the coop to the market, I be flipping every day. Little chicks, big birds, yeah, we getting to the pay. Smart moves, no luck, yeah, we sticking to the plan. Simuchimba Farms, yeah, we building up a brand. From the coop to the market, I be flipping every day. Turn a feather to a fortune, that's the hustle in the way. Smart moves, no luck, yeah, we sticking to the plan. Simuchimba Farms, yeah, we building up a brand. Peak up early, hear the crow, I'm already on the grind. Check the coop, check the feed, profit always on my mind. Count the flock, do the math, every number gotta shine. If it ain't adding to the bag, I leave that story behind. Got the boot in the mud, but my vision in the sky. Turn a little box of chicks to a business that can fly. Neighbors used to laugh, now they asking me for advice. I just point them to the work, every sunrise is a price. Feed right, he right, yeah, I study every stage. From a crumb to a crate, I'm just turning every page. Got receipts in the folder, got the future on the line. Every beady little eye, that's a sign. From the coop to the market, I be flipping every day. Little chicks, big birds, yeah, we get into the pay. Smart moves, no luck, yeah, we sticking to the plan. Simuchimba Farms, yeah, we building up a brand. From the coop to the market, I be flipping every day. Turn a feather to a fortune, that's the hustle in the way. Smart moves, no luck, yeah, we sticking to the plan. Simuchimba farms, yeah, we building up a brand. Phone pink, new order, got the buyers on my line. I don't brag, I deliver, let the product do the shine. Clean crates, clear books, every detail looking right. From the gate to the truck, it's a checklist every night. I remember first day, just a bag and a dream. Now it's payroll, V-bills, whole fam on the team. I'ma see the cash flow, tell me keep that focus tight. So I pray on the path, then I hustle till it's light. This is patience in the pen, this is faith with a chart. Every week I